Mr. and Mrs. Turner were supposed to be home 10 minutes ago. Finally!
Thanks for babysitting, Vicky.
Sorry we're late.
The Save the Sprinkler Foundation meeting ran a little long.
Oh, are you late? I hadn't noticed. What lovely hats!
Oh, isn't tonight the big costume dance at school?
Oh, is it? I wondered why I was wearing this.
She's a fairy godmother. Oh, how beautiful.
Still, it could use a bit of pizzazz. Maybe something in our box of emergency costume supplies will come in handy. Heaven knows it's helped me in the past.
Oh, by the way, how was Timmy this evening?
Oh, you know, the little twerp. Angel has been quietly playing in his room all night.
Arg, matey, arg! Have ye any last words before Greenbeard the pirate makes ye walk the plank?
Greenbeard?
This pirate game was your idea, Timmy. Besides, it's my favorite color. Arg!
Oh, brother. Okay, I'll give it a shot. Not so fast, Greenbeard! Wah! On guard! Hey, where's Wanda?
Oh, you know how Wanda is, Timmy. She's probably still getting dressed.
Well, how do I look? Ah, I can't see!
You only need one, Snooky.
Oh, thanks, sailor.
How we doing so far, Timmy?
Don't quit your day job. I knew it'd be thrilling having my fairy godparents around the house.
Avast, ye swab!
Have fun at the dance, Vicky.
I will, thanks to you. Ugh.
Oh my gosh, she's got my magic wand!
A magic wand in the wrong hands could mean total disaster. And Vicky's hands are the worst hands around.
I know. I'll wish the wand back.
It's not that simple! I knew it. The Finders Keepers Law. Whoever holds the wand has complete control over it. We can't wish it back! As long as she has it, she has the power to grant her own wishes, plus the wishes of others!
Then we gotta follow her to the dance and get it back ourselves. Cosmo, quick! We need transportation! At least I found this fake wand in that dumb box. Now I'll win the contest for sure.
Well, I thought it handled great.
A pumpkin coach?
Best we could do with one wand.
Besides, it worked for Cinderella.
Well, yeah, but did I have to wear her dress?
Sorry, we couldn't break up the set.
Good thing this is a costume party. You two will fit right in. Cosmo, I wish I had another costume. Something manly. We gotta talk. Boy, talk about lame food. 2 words. Gross.
I know. I wish it was all pizza and hot dogs.
All right. Who's the comedian? Ah! My costume stained. My beauty diminished. I gotta wash this off. From? I wish they'd play some rock and roll. Nice!
Rock and roll!
Ugh, freshman.
Time to use the most powerful magical weapon in my arsenal. Me! Hey, gorgeous. Hey, gorgeous. Wanna dance?
Who? Me? I...
Come with me to the Cosmo. Casbah. This magnetic charm I have is really a curse. Mission accomplished.
Listen, Mr. Magic, I may not be as young as I used to be, but just remember that you are still a married man.
Ow, yes, dear, but you know, the wand.
Ugh. Men.
I'm sorry, Snooky. Please forgive me.
I don't know.
I gotta clean this thing up.
1, 2.
This dance just couldn't get any weirder.
May I have this dance?
What's your problem, Stain?
Hey, you wacky adolescents, it's almost contest time!
No!
Time for the big finish.
Oh, I love the big finish! Hello, gorgeous!
And now to announce the contest winner! The first runners-up are the 2 kids in the Firefly costume!
Cool! We'd like to thank the Academy.
And the winner is Vicky! For the most revealing and quite frankly scariest costume.
Somebody give me a costume! Well, congratulations, you two. Vicky really seemed to enjoy the dance.
Oh, I don't know, Timmy. I thought she looked a little flushed. You get it? Oh, yeah, cartoons.